Hi there! In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use Repricer to customize your pricing approach and build custom advanced strategies to win the buy box. Let's start by revisiting your rule and our if buy box winner scenario. Winning the buy box can be an opportunity to maximize profit. That's where we can use the buy box optimizer. The optimizer activates whenever you have the buy box, gradually increasing your price and profits as long as you keep it. If you were to lose the buy box, you'll immediately start competing, ready to win it again. Repricer's Price War AI closely monitors your products, assessing their competitiveness, historical trends, and more, alerting you when your product enters a price war. If your products enter a price war, use our Price War rule setting to adapt your strategy, whether by increasing your price, not repricing, or even applying a whole new way of competing with your competitors. Another repricing strategy you can implement using sales rules is letting your sales, instead of your competitors, guide your price when you're the only seller on your listing. You can use velocity of sales, such as my sales have dropped by 10% or increased by 20%, or target specific sales volumes. Responding to change is essential in staying competitive and winning the buy box. With automations, you can have Repricer move your products between repricing rules automatically based on your chosen criteria. For example, you can set Repricer to move your rule if you haven't won the buy box in the past 7 days to another rule to make you more competitive. Set a rule to lower the price of older products and clear them out when they reach a certain age to make space for new stock. Or hold a flat price on specific days or hours of the day if required by your supplier. There's so much that can be achieved with automations. Up next, we'll discuss multi-channel and how you can expand beyond Amazon and eBay repricing.